Welcome to the Cyber Don channel. I'm Don, a certified cybersecurity nerd. And in this channel, I focus on teaching and mentoring both new and seasoned cybersecurity professionals. In this video, we're going to talk about how to break into cyber in 2025. Let's get it. One of the best ways to break into cyber in 2025 is through networking. All networking is developing associations and relationships with people who are either already in cyber or also looking to get into cyber. And believe it or not, it's a lot easier than you would think. There are all kinds of cyber conferences that usually happen on a monthly basis. Now, let's say you want to be involved in these network associations. What I would recommend you do is go to a site called Eventbrite. I am not sponsored by them. This is exactly what I would do. So you go to Eventbrite, you type in your city, and you type in either cyber or IT based upon what you're looking for. And in there, you should see some organizations like ISSA or ISACA or IC Squared. Or there may be multitude of other organizations that also serve this function. Get out, meet people, enjoy a lunch, talk with people. This is the best way to develop those types of relationships, and those types of relationships can pay off in terms of finding a job that may not be posted anywhere. A lot of the jobs that are out here are found out by word of mouth. Hey, I was talking to Don, and I think you would be great for this position. This is one of the best ways to break into cyber in 2025. Another good way to break into cyber in 2025 is all you have to do is ask. You would be surprised who would say yes if you just ask. Now, when I say ask, I'm talking about internships and shadowing. First, internships. Now, internships are very, very simple. Unfortunately, there may not be any pay associated with it, but the experience you learn through an internship will be invaluable. All you have to do is ask your current employer, hey, are there any internships? Are there any opportunities to learn cyber? And you would be surprised how many times they would say either yes, maybe here in a little bit, or try to move things around to accommodate you. Another good way is shadowing. Now, what shadowing is you find your cybersecurity department and say, hey, maybe an hour or two after work, can I come sit with you guys so I can learn? Now, they may ask you to sign some documentation saying, hey, anything you see, you will not repeat outside of here. That is standard process and a standard practice in our industry. However, the information that you can gather, the knowledge, the wisdom, the practical skills that you can apply will be amazing. It is something super powerful about sitting down amongst other experts and being able to ask them questions. You will level up quickly in your knowledge and understanding of cybersecurity, not only from a book standpoint, but also from a technical standpoint and from an actionable standpoint. And you need all of these to really succeed in this industry. If you can, try to find an internship opportunity or a shadowing opportunity. Even if it's just an hour or two a week, it'll be invaluable to your future growth. Another great opportunity to break into cyber is to grow where you are. Now, by that, what I mean is find opportunities to apply cybersecurity skills to the company you're at currently. Now, a lot of us work for small or medium-sized companies who may have small or no IT teams. Now, there is an opportunity there if you're interested. Now, this is definitely not the easy way, and it only applies to certain people. But if you work for one of those companies that doesn't have a cybersecurity specialist on staff, you train yourself to become that cybersecurity specialist. Now, if you want to know how to get started or what to do, what kind of training you need, go ahead and check my video link, which I'll link somewhere in here, and you'll be able to understand what you need to do to get that training. But basically, what you do is you become that cybersecurity guy. You give the suggestions from a cybersecurity standpoint, and you continue to learn, you continue to grow, and eventually that will pay off to a successful career in cybersecurity. Now, if you have any questions, if you have any comments, concerns, place everything you have in the bottom and I will do my best to answer them. And I hope to see you in 2026. and cybersecurity.